National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Elkhart County in north-central Indiana, northwestern Kosciuszko County in north-central Indiana, central Marshall County in north-central Indiana, until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Plymouth, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Napanee around 11:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Etna Green, Monocket, Hoffman Lake, Leesburg, Twin Lakes, Inwood, Atwood, Rutland, Burr Oak, and Hastings. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning issued for the same area. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
She got like one body, two bodies, three bodies, four bodies. She got some more bodies. She in love with the city, yeah. She in love with the city, yeah.
We interrupt normal broadcasting to relay this urgent message from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Elkhart County in north-central Indiana, northwestern Kosciuszko County in north-central Indiana, and central Marshall County in north-central Indiana until 12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an unusually strong line-embedded tornado was located southeast of Plymouth, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. The National Weather Service notes that this is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazards include a damaging tornado, half-dollar-sized hail, and strong straight-line winds. This tornado has been confirmed by Doppler radar and local storm spotters reporting power flashes as the tornado moved south of Plymouth. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This tornado will also be near Napanee around 11:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, with other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm being Etna Green, Monocacy, Hoffman Lake, Leesburg, Twin Lakes, Inwood, Atwood, Rutland, Burr Oak, and Hastings. Remember, tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.